Hi everyone, my name is Vishal. Welcome to the weekly market view for Monday, the 17th of October 2022 to Friday, the 21st of October 2022. Let's get started. Let's also look at some key levels for this week on the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some of the key sectors and stocks. Okay, let's start with the Nifty analysis. So we have our monthly chart, and we have been seeing since the past months that price just tends to consolidate. The moment it comes closer to the highs, there is a lot of price rejection coming at the highs. So this is going to be an area to watch out for in the coming months. If the price does manage to close above these highs or these wicks, then probably we will start moving further up, and we might enter into a bull market. Right now, prices are just consolidating as of now. We are still holding on to this monthly level of demand that I have been plotting for over weeks now. So prices are still holding this monthly level of demand. Still no sign of a very big sell-off yet on the Nifty. If you look at our weekly charts, on the weekly chart, we are definitely seeing a reaction on the weekly. So this is our, let me just remove all the tools so that I can mark all the levels again. So these are our weekly supply levels, and every time the price has come to these levels, we have seen rejection. Right now, we are in the middle of this weekly supply, and you also have this weekly demand over here. So again, markets are more or less likely to move a little bit range bound in this scenario. So we might expect, as I said last week as well, that we might expect to see the market just moving zigzag between these two key levels, unless and until something drastic happens on the market. Let's move on to the daily chart, and let's see on the daily chart what do we see on the Nifty. So on the daily chart, again, we have just seen consolidation. We do have some key areas of supply over here, but we'll more or less go to a slightly smaller time frame to closely analyze those levels. So let's go quickly to the 75 minutes chart, and right now what we are seeing is that we are seeing this weekly supply 75-minute supply zone play out quite well. Now the market is trying to make another attempt towards this level. Can the markets fall from here? Sure. So we could see markets going like this, entering this level, probably trapping all the retail traders into buying, and then reversing and again trying to consolidate. So we are in a slightly more larger consolidation on the Nifty, and unless and until this level breaks and starts to trade up, um, being bullish on the Nifty would not be the right thing to do. All right, so this is another attempt for you to take a shot at the Nifty with a short position, and let's see how this level plays out the second time if it does happen to trigger this area. Let's now move on to the other key sector, which is the Bank Nifty. And on the Bank Nifty, we are seeing that the Bank Nifty is a slightly stronger market than the Nifty. So let's start with the monthly chart, and we can just get rid of these tools for now. So this is the monthly chart of Bank Nifty. Again, no signs of supply. In fact, the monthly candle seems to be closing or trying to close pretty strong. But again, we have to watch out for this key area of 41,800 odd levels. This is the area. On two occasions the market has reversed from this area, right? And now prices are more or less trying to react from this level of demand, and if price does make a new high, then we might have even a new area of demand in creation. All right, but we'll have to just wait and watch. On the weekly chart, again, just like how the Nifty is consolidating, weekly is also showing consolidation. We do have this rally based drop level, but then again the key area is this area, and this area has this area has been holding for a very long time now. So unless and until the market breaks down and begins to trade below this area, we may not see a downfall, and market is likely now to push towards this 40,500 odd level, and we'll have to see how the market reacts if it does happen to hit this area in the coming days or in the coming weeks. Let's quickly look at the daily chart to see what are we seeing on the daily. And on the daily, we are seeing again price holding on to this level of demand, creating or trying to create new levels of demand. Today we have had a bullish closing on the bank nifty, and it possibly might indicate that market wants to push a little bit higher. Now there is a very key area over here on the bank nifty, and especially for the people who are not conversant in English, I'm going to more or less repeat this analysis in Hindi as well. So this is the supply zone on the bank nifty that we are going to be keenly contesting and watching out for. We do can set up a trade over here to the short side. It looks like a pretty good supply zone. The stop loss will be a little bit on the, the stop loss is going to be a little bit big, so we'll have to give it a little bit of a wiggle room. And you can definitely set your targets for a good RR of at least 2:1 or maybe even 3:1. Right, so first RR you can target around this area, and then the second target could be somewhere over here. So this seems to be a good setup. और एक अगर बैंक निफ्टी अगर यहाँ तक आ सकता है तो आपको एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है शॉर्टिंग करने के लिए. तो आप बैंक निफ्टी को इस स्टॉप लॉस को लेकर आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप फ्यूचर्स में शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप ऑप्शंस की स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बेरिश स्ट्रैटेजी, जो भी आपको यूज़ करना है. आप आपके रिस्क अनुसार और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के हिसाब से आप एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड यहाँ पे प्लान कर सकते हैं. अगर हम वॉलेटिलिटी देखें तो ऑप्शंस प्रीमियम्स की जो वॉलेटिलिटी है, पहले हम निफ्टी की ऑप्शंस प्रीमियम की वॉलेटिलिटी देखते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे आके एक टेम्पलेट प्लॉट करूँगा. और अगर हम देखेंगे तो वॉलेटिलिटी एनालिसिस, ये जो रेड लाइन है ये हमें बता रही है कि ऑप्शंस की जो प्रीमियम्स है वो ना महंगे हैं ना सस्ते हैं. सो ऑप्शंस आर फेयरली प्राइस. तो जब तक प्राइस ऑप्शन के जो प्रीमियम्स है वो ज़्यादा महंगे नहीं हो जाते तो ऑप्शन सेलिंग में हमें नहीं जाना है. और जब तक ऑप्शंस प्रीमियम्स के दाम सस्ते नहीं हो जाते हैं तब तक हमें बाइंग स्ट्रैटेजीज में नहीं जाना है. तो अभी करंट सिचुएशन में हम कुछ न्यूट्रल स्ट्रैटेजीज प्लान कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपका व्यू थोड़ा सा नॉन डायरेक्शनल हो तो आप नॉन डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजीज भी निफ्टी पे प्लान कर सकते हैं. अगर हम निफ्टी बैंक देखें so bank nifty's volatility is also more or less in the same section. It's in the fair section. Again, no clear clue of premiums being very expensive or very cheap. So premiums are fairly priced right now. Again, depending upon your risk appetite and your risk management, you can decide to plan any kind of non-directional strategies on the bank nifty as well. Let's look at the USDINR. Just close this for the time being right now. Alright, so USDINR looks very interesting. और अगर हम देखेंगे तो USDINR पे एक ऑल टाइम हाई बन के प्राइस ऊपर ही जा रहा है. यहाँ पे मंथली चार्ट पे एक डिमांड जोन बन चुका है. Now we would expect the USDINR monthly candle, this follow through candle, to also close very strongly, which will make this monthly demand zone a very key level. Okay, so 79.55 to 78.55 is going to be a key level to watch out for on the USDINR. अगर हम वीकली चार्ट देखें, सो वीकली चार्ट पे भी ये जो डिमांड जोन है, ये जो मंथली का जो डिमांड जोन है, ये वीकली के ऊपर भी है. तो अच्छा खासा लेवल है. 80 का हैंडल है, राउंड नंबर है. सो दिस कैन बी अनदर लेवल फ्रॉम वेयर अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन द USDINR कैन कम. लेट्स लुक एट द डेली चार्ट. अगर हम देखेंगे तो काफ़ी टाइम से 3 से 4 या 5 दिनों से काफ़ी कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है USDINR पे. ये साइन थोड़ा सा हमें बता सकता है कि ये थोड़ी सी रुकावट आ रही है मूवमेंट में. सो द प्राइस मे स्टॉल अ लिटिल बिट ओवर हियर. And what significantly can happen is that once the price does something like this, either the price can turn and start falling down, which will indicate that Nifty should and Bank Nifty and Sensex should all ideally move up. But if that doesn't happen और market अगर consolidate होने लगता है और एक और रैली अगर USD INR देता है ऊपर की तरफ, तो फिर निफ्टी, सेंसेक्स और जो बाकी के जो ब्रॉडर मार्केट्स है वो भी नीचे आने की संभावना है. So we'll have to just keep a close watch on how the markets are going to phase out. अगर हम डेली चार्ट पे देखें तो डेली चार्ट पे ये डिमांड जोन है, अच्छा खासा डिमांड जोन है. फिर से प्ले आउट डेफिनेटली हो सकता है, एक बार टेस्ट हो चुका है. सो वी माइट एक्सपेक्ट द प्राइसेस टू कम हियर एंड देन स्टार्ट मूविंग अप towards the highs again. So we'll have to just wait and watch to get some good entries now on the USDINR as well. The stock for the week, my analysis this week was made a little simple because जैसे ही मैंने निफ्टी बैंक एनालाइज किया, आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू सी दैट HDFC बैंक is also having a very very similar level to the bank nifty. So हम जल्द से HDFC बैंक की तरफ जाएंगे और जो चार्ट है वो सेम टाइम फ्रेम वाला चार्ट है 75 मिनट्स. एंड इफ यू लुक वेरी वेरी क्लोजली, जैसे ही बैंक निफ्टी की जो सप्लाई लेवल है वैसे ही सेम लेवल HDFC बैंक में भी है. तो अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी को शॉर्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं और आप कोई स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक आइडिया ढूंढ रहे हैं टू गो शॉर्ट, देन दिस इज ऑल्सो an opportunity. And what you can do with this opportunity is that you can time this opportunity using the bank nifty. So bank nifty का जो supply zone है वो अगर supply zone trigger होता है and at the same time if HDFC bank is also at this key level, then the chances or the odds of success for this trade as well as the bank nifty trade to play out will be very very high. Alright, so we teach about all these market timing techniques, correlation techniques in our education courses. So if you do like our channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, and looking forward to see you next week, and wishing you all a very very happy Diwali well in advance. Hope you enjoy this Diwali with your loved ones. Be safe during Diwali and trade safe. See you all next week. Take care. Bye-bye.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing.